want to hear all about it.
Well, Olivia, you made it through the car trip.
Book time?
Not tonight, sweetie. I think we're all too tired.
Then 2 books tomorrow.
I'll make it 3.
Really? How about 4?
Don't push your luck, Missy. Good night, Olivia.
Good night, Mom. I'm Kai-Lan. Ni Hao. That's how I say hi in Chinese. Say Ni Hao. Ni Hao. Super! Ni Hao. Ni Hao. Ni Hao. Come and join our good friends. They're all ready to play. And now that you're here, it's a super special day. I'd like to show my friends how much I really care. So when someone needs our help, we'll always be right there. Come on, let's go, go, go! 跟我来. We can make up a game, dance a yeah, and more. Come on, Rin, 2, let's tiger, tiger, roar! Roar, roar, roar! Super! Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao, Kai-Lan! Dragon Boat Festival! Ni hao, I'm Kai-Lan. Look, Mr. Sun is sleeping. We'd better wake him up. I know, we can tickle him. You know what, Kai-Lan? I'm glad I calmed down. We got it! When you feel too mad, the first thing you do is... calm, calm down. I loved the dragon boat races. We all got to meet Mr. Dragon. I'm so glad you were here. You make my heart feel super happy.